Hi friends, good day and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today we're going to learn how to use the fill series function in Excel, and we'll go ahead and get started with two examples of how to use them for dates as well as numbers. You might have come across situations wherein you do want to populate the data in a particular uh, structure or with regular gap intervals, and doing the drag drop or having a formula applied just makes it a little messy as a result. And that's exactly where the fill series handle or the function comes handy. I'm going to so in a situation like this, an example, I have column A. I would like to populate the numbers in this, in a series right up till 20. So rather than putting in a formula or doing a drag and drop handle, I'm going to just select the column, put in go to the fill series, select the linear start and stop value. In this case, I'm going to put the stop as 20 and do OK, and that's where it goes straight away, right? Uh, it could now in a situation where you do not give the end or the stop value, the numbers will just keep going till your cell selection in this case, right? So in this case, it's the entire column, so it's going to go all the way down to the last row uh, over there. But by giving the stop, we're going to set a restriction over here. In this second example, I'm going to go by date and I'm going to just select some 15 rows of data. I'm going to fill in the series for every month with a step value of 1, right? Which means every month there is an extension. So from May to June onwards to for 15 months. And just do OK, and that's where it comes. We could also use this for days or weekdays as well, in a situation where you want to kind of create a calendar of weekdays or attendance, etc. Right? It can come into handy and play there over there. Uh, so you can set them up accordingly, or you could have them as every alternate day for a function, or if there's any requirement, etc. Right? In that case, the step value will be 2, and you do OK, and it just picks up the alternate day from the current date. Well, this is all I had for us today. I do hope you found this useful, and see you next week. Thank you. Take care.